we're on. So I'm hoping that you can hear me because I'm using earpods and an iPhone. But we'll see. We'll see how it sounds. So where are we going? Where are we going? I know. Let's go to the forest. Towards the moon. Slippery thing. Where is that moon? It's up there. Yeah. Look at that. Cheeky little fuck. Almost had deer for dinner. Oh my god, it's cold. It's actually cold. This isn't going to be a very long ride. Just going to go to the forest, go up to the roundabout, have a look at the fucking moon, and then we're going to come back. How about that? There's a fucking car behind me as well. Not even funny. See, what cars don't understand is like, bikes are having a good time, man. They're not in a hurry for anything. They're looking out for all of the hazards and shit. Like cars are like all the way up our ass and like, hey bitch, get out of the way, I got finish this thing. Fuck you, man. Salsa. Let's go this way. It's quite nice actually, there's not hardly anyone around. Hopefully this microphone system is going to work because I really don't want to spend any more money on this project. So we've got a GoPro here, we've got a drift on my helmet, and we've got a GoPro on my chest. I think, that's a lot. It's enough. But I'm really hoping I don't have to spend any more money on a microphone system. Stop spending money! It's like fat people with pizza. I need somebody to follow me around and knock my credit card out my nose. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know how well these GoPros are going to fare in this kind of light because there's no street lights. Yeah, man, I know. Fuck you. Just ease up on the old speed here. Yeah. It's really pretty. Full moon out. Nice. Bastard cold! Ah! I don't like the cold! It's not nice! So this is the forest. It's my hangout. This is where I go to stay away from people. Yeah. It'll be interesting to edit this because I don't think actually I'm going to be able to see very much. But we'll see, you know? We'll see how it comes up. This is the first test. And we're all about tests. Trial and error. What's his name? Tesla. Did a load of tests before he got it right. It's not about failing, it's about learning. Just need a bigger spotlight. Blind! In your car. I blind you! Yeah, I'll be really impressed with these earpods if they actually pick up my voice in this helmet, so we'll see. I mean, earlier it was alright in the open face, but we'll see. I'm hopeful. Optimistic. Okay, I think that's a long enough ride. Let's turn around, because it's cold, and I'm a wuss when it comes to cold. So, we'll see how it goes. Slow down a little bit on here, because there's a bit of wet. Keep on going round. Signal for the car drivers who have no idea where I'm going. Bye. What I need now is a giant deer to run out in front of me and completely miss me, but like get a good shot. Still recovering from this bloody cold. I had the flu about 3 weeks ago and I just can't shift the cold. Maybe it's got something to do with the fact that I'm actually on a bike right now. And I refuse to stop riding. Maybe, we'll see. Thank you, car, for using your headlights to blind the fuck out of me and also so that I can get my video working. Be a nice shot at least. I just hate these drivers who have got these LCD fucking LED something or other blue lamps in front of their cars. They think they're being all fucking smart, being able to see, and I'm just like, no, I'm blind. I'm right in front of you. No idea what I'm saying, by the way. Probably a load of gibberish, but Surfing Forest used to be the hangout of the Cray twins. I can give a bit of history. The Cray twins were the notorious brothers who used to hang out in London as well. They killed quite a few people. Apparently some of their victims are still in there somewhere. These people are... I'm looking at the road. I'm just going to see if I can't get that moon on that head cam. Man, I'm doing 40! Like, what the fuck? You're right at my house. It's amazing how I got you on camera. Your number plate when I get to the traffic lights. Maybe I'll go through Epping just to see whether or not I can get some contrast with this light. See if it's better doing this kind of thing during the day. Just couldn't help it, you know? Full moon, clear sky. Very rarely happens on the second night of full moon. I don't know if anybody else has actually noticed who goes out on full moon. They don't see it on the second night because it's cloudy. I wonder if that's got something to do with the moon's control over water on this planet. I don't know, scientific theory. So the theory behind lycanthropy, some people used to think that it used to drive people mad, and that's where the werewolves used to come out to play. I don't know. Again, I'm talking bollocks. If I do end up putting the audio on this, just ignore what I say. I cannot be held responsible for the shit I talk when I'm on the bike. The speed camera up here, I better be careful. I wonder how long this video is actually going to be. Obviously, I'm going to cut out the front and the back, just to be sure that you guys don't know where I live. Don't need any more stalkers. Let's just see how video works. It'd just be nice to be able to do something a little different. Because I used to do a lot of YouTube videos, but I need a different edge to it all. So, yeah, nice. I'm hoping the audio isn't finished playing. I'm recording even.